Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. We build cars, ATVs, fish houses, snow dogs, and anything with a motor. Even do some fishing and some weather watching. Anyway, what we got latest now is that we're going to be working on a Mustang 2 Crossmember for my brother. It's going to eventually be in a 33 Plymouth Coupe. We might do some videos on that, and well, we probably will actually. But anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to start the series on just getting this thing together. I'm going to go through how this thing works and various things. We got some welding to do on it. We got some braces to put down here. Stuff like that. This will be a coil spring with a shock in the middle with tubular arms, upper and lower. Rack and pinion steering. There's the rack and pinion. Front disc brakes, and so forth. When you install these things, you're going to have a bare minimum of 26.5-inch wide frame rails. That's from the outside of the frame, not the inside, from the outside of the frame to the outside frame, so you can slide the rails in. Also, the front, you can always tell direction of travel is that way because when you look at these cross members, you'll notice that there's two big holes. And what they were strut rods that actually went up to the unibody on each side to stabilize this thing from going, kitty wampus, wampus, kitty wampus, whatever you want to say. And so, this is the back side of it, And then also the spring hats are tipped back about 5 degrees. When you install this thing on a level frame, you got to tip it back 5 degrees. So it's level, so that way when you stop at a stop sign, you're looking at something pretty alongside the road, or you're going down Main Street, you're looking at your car, in the windows of the shops. And it's like, hey, that looks pretty cool. And then all of a sudden you see a red stoplight and you got to stop really fast. All of a sudden, what that does is tipping this back 5 degrees on the top. It stops the car from diving really hard in the front end, like, it helps it slow it down at a quick stop without transferring weight of the vehicle, locking up brakes, or sliding around. It stops you from sliding ass end first or butt end first, whatever you want to say. And so there's all kinds of stuff to discuss, and we will discuss that as we go. We're going to get this thing assembled, go through it, how it works, and then we're going to start installing it on the chassis eventually, but eventually down the road, whenever it eventually is. But what else can I bring up here? Let's see, I'm thinking. So anyway, but we got some welding to do. This was cut out of a car, and then it was cleaned up, really nice. So that way, now again, it's 26.5 inches wide, the frame rails. You might be able to get by with 26 and 5/8, but it might be a little tight on some, sometimes. The way these are all spot welded together and stuff, they can be off 1/8 of an inch, whatever. But I'm thinking I might put some plates here. I got some more extra room here, so I might put some plates here to tie in. This is called a spring hat. Try to tie this upper end in with this lower end, because you got the spring constantly pushing up here, so you're pushing up on the spring hat, which in turn it could fold it up. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to weld everything, and so forth, and then Then I put a plate in here and I tie this bottom in with this side, so that way it gives it more rigidity. Huh. Anyway, starting to sound like Derek from Vice Grip Garage. Yeah, I like watching his stuff, and it's kind of rubbing off on me, I think. But but anyway, so we're gonna be doing this thing in series, and then again I'll go through how it works and how it should be installed, and then all you guys, gals, here, there, over there, can all really understand how this works. But I like to use this because it rides so well. It stops really good. It rides like Cadillac. You can get different spring rates for different weights of vehicles. You can adjust the rides, airbags, coilover shocks, you name it. So these are really neat, and they're so simplified. It's actually kind of a joke. It's so nice, you know. And then it's got rack and pinion steering. This one will have tubular upper and lower control arms on it, and it's going to have coil springs with a nice gas shock. And he wants a nice cruiser. Wants to be able to drive it wherever he wants and whenever he wants, wherever, you know. So anyway, again, please like and subscribe, guys, and then hit the notification bell, because when a new video comes out, you know, this is going to be a series of videos. And so it's not going to be one video. Try to take you guys through it all and stuff like that. But again, it's Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything on YouTube here. And please enjoy everything that we do, and everything's on our own dime. We don't get paid for nothing. So, but if you guys would like and subscribe, that just helps us out. And while we're helping you. And it doesn't cost nothing. Nobody will ever come at you. Not a dime. Never. Ever. So, but anyway, take care. And this will be for number 1 video of several to come. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys, gals. Bye-bye.